was extraordinary yesterday. We were getting emails saying the venue is at capacity. We'd had an announcement in the morning saying almost 250,000 people had registered. So that was a real sign of the enthusiasm and excitement about this event and startups. And obviously you've mentioned Meet the Drapers. This is your own TV series where you are going around, in a way, auditioning people's ideas and then crowdfunding or crowdsourcing to get that investment. Where did the idea for that come? And are there certain regions or areas that you think are more open to that sort of thing?
Well, it's interesting. About 15 years before Shark Tank came out, I was in LA, in Hollywood, trying to promote the idea. And nothing happened. Then Shark Tank showed up. And because I love what I do. I love being a venture capitalist, and I like the idea that other people can see what I do. Interview these entrepreneurs that are showing me what the future is going to look like. It's fantastic. So I always kept an eye on it, and when crowdfunding came out, I thought, wow, that's kind of interesting. The viewer can invest, and but I don't think the SEC had anticipated the idea that somebody would do media and crowdfunding together. And so we have since just made it crowdsourcing. And so everybody can vote, everybody can play an investment game, and eventually we hope to get crowdfunding back. But the show has taken off, and it's been so much fun. And I do it generally with my sister and my father, and it's Meet the Drapers, but we always have great guest judges. We're going to have Sultan. We're going to have some interesting guest judges here. In India, we had Sri Ravi Shankar, the guru, and the show is just so much fun, and we think we're actually maybe transforming the venture business because we see so much deal flow from that.